Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Let's see how to change the background and the color of the text in Gmail Compose. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, so whenever you log into the Gmail with the username and the password, on the left hand side here you can see some of the options like compose, inbox, start, snoozed, sent, draft, more and all. Okay, so whenever you want to write the mail, you will click on the compose option. Once you click on the compose option, here you can see some of the options like to whom you are sending the mail and the subject of the email, and here you will write the content. Okay, so whenever you write the content here, you will write something like hi, hello, and all. Okay, so once you write the text, suppose if you want to change the color of this text or if you want to change the background of this text means, so what you can do is like you can just come down and scroll down. Once you scroll down, so here you can see some of the options like the bold, italic, underline, and here you can see the text color. Okay, so here you can see small down arrow button. So once you click on this, so here you can see the various options like background color, text color. Okay, suppose if you want to change the background color of this text means, you can just select it here, and once you come down you can select the background color of the text. Suppose if I select yellow, so here you can see the background color of the text has been changed to yellow. Okay, and here you can also change the text color. Suppose if I want to change the text color means, if I select red and if I go here, so here I select this, and if I just select it red here, so here you can see the background of the color has been changed to yellow and the text color is also changed to the red. Okay, so this is how you can change the background color and the text color in the Gmail whenever you are writing the Gmail. Okay, so that's all about this particular video, guys. I hope you like this particular video. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you one and all. Thank you. Bye bye.